Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting the exact video or audio to subtitle and confirming audio quality. Poor audio creates errors. Once chosen, pick the target language and an AI model tuned for speech-to-text accuracy rather than speed, because accuracy saves editing time. Then upload the file to your chosen platform, enable timestamp generation and speaker detection if available, and hit transcribe. Make sure to monitor progress and note any background noise so you can address it during the edit. Once the draft transcription is ready, focus on cleaning text and timing because readable subtitles depend on both. Fix misheard words, punctuation, and numeric formats. This improves comprehension. Next, tighten or expand timestamps so each subtitle sits on screen long enough. Aim for 1-3 lines and 42 to 45 characters per line. Also add speaker labels and non-speech cues like music or laughter. Make sure to scrub through the video to check for sync drift and adjust 1-minute segments as needed. You finish by exporting the file in the format you need: SRT for editable soft subtitles or a burned-in MP4 when compatibility matters. Select UTF-8 encoding to preserve characters. Then test the subtitles across players and devices to confirm timing, line breaks, and legibility. If you see persistent misalignment, try resyncing specific segments or regenerate the transcription with a higher accuracy model and reapply your edits. As a troubleshooting tip, background noise often breaks ASR, so clean audio or a noise reduction pass before retranscribing usually fixes most errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.